This tutorial will be an overview of the Boomea Web Phone. The Web Phone is a powerful phone tool for Boomea. With it, you can keep all of your communications in one place, Boomea. When you open Boomea, the Web Phone is located on the right-hand side. You will see the following interface when it is in the idle state. At a glance, you see the following options. You can change or modify your settings with the settings gear icon. You can enable or disable your web phone. There is a new screen where you can manage one call or multiple calls. There's an option to dial or type a number. You can view your recent call history. And finally, you can access the quick call option. Let's start with the settings gear icon. Click the icon to open the settings page. From here, you can select your microphone and speakers and adjust their volumes. You can enable or disable web phone call waiting. You can show or hide the call recording indicator. Call recording is an additional feature. If interested, please contact your Sterling account manager. And you can show or hide the network icon and panel. You also have access to enable or disable call start and end tones. You can select your ringtone from the drop-down menu. Select Preview Ringtone to hear. Click on the Save button anytime you change a setting. To enable or disable your web phone, simply toggle on or off. You will see a notification box with Web phone is currently deactivated when off. To see your most recent call history, which includes your incoming, outgoing, and missed calls, simply scroll through the entries below recent calls. Once you find the call you want, you can simply click on the number or extension number to dial. As a note, the most recent call that has occurred is at the top of the list. You can also access your call history on the Boomea menu strip on the left side. From here, you can filter your search results by date range and by direction of call, and can search for a specific number or name. Click Apply to activate the filters. To call from the call history, simply click on the number listed in the history entry. To make a call from the web phone home screen, you can either type in the number, copy or paste the number into the dial or type number entry field, or use your mouse to enter the number via the keypad. Click the green phone icon to activate the call. When receiving an inbound call, your web phone display will show the following. An animation will activate around the phone icon on the right side web phone menu strip. A ringing sound will play, and the web phone interface will change and show the incoming call with caller ID and icon options to answer or decline the call. Click to answer. Once a call is connected, the active call screen offers the following functions. Hold. Put the call on hold. You will see the call you put on hold at the top of the web phone. Simply click on the on-hold call to unhold the call. Mute. This will mute your microphone. Clicking it again will unmute. Call park. Note, this feature is used in conjunction with presence groups. To park the call, click the Park button. Type the parking slot number in and hit Park or hit Enter. Transfer. Clicking the transfer icon will give you the option to make a blind transfer. Simply type the extension number or phone number you want to transfer the call to. Hit the transfer arrow or enter to send. Add call. Clicking this button will initiate a new call to a different number. This will not conference the calls together. The current call that you are on will automatically be placed on hold. To conference the calls together, select the merge icon. Once all parties are connected, you can unmerge the callers if you choose. Note, if you choose to hang up from the conference call, it will disconnect all parties from the call. Dial pad. Clicking on this icon will open up the dial pad. Use this to input digits when on a call and you need to input menu option selections. And finally, the red hang up icon allows you to simply hang up. At the bottom of the web phone is the quick call option. This is just another way to make an outbound call. The quick call can be used when your web phone is enabled or disabled. This feature allows you to specifically choose which device you will use to make a call. Click to open. Choose from the drop-down which device you want to use to make your outgoing call. I have the following options: web phone, the Nimbus mobile app, and my desk phone. Enter the phone number either by typing it in or by clicking the numbers on the dial pad. Click the green call button to activate the call. On the right side of your web phone application, there's a menu strip that gives you access to the following: Company Directory, Presence Groups, Contacts, and of course your web phone and quick call. Let's talk about your company directory first. The directory lists all users and extensions in your company. These are listed in alphabetical order by first name, or you can search by name in the search field. Tap the phone icon on the right to quickly call someone within your organization. Presence. With presence groups, you are able to view the live status of any phone user in your organization and call them quickly. Presence groups are customizable, and you can set up your groups based on, for instance, which department a phone user is in, such as sales, HR, or engineering. You will have an all presence group, which will show all phone users in your organization. The phone handset icon next to a user will have a color indicating if a user is available or busy. Green means a user is available. Flashing yellow means the user's phone is ringing or they are in the process of making a call. Red means they are on an active call. To call someone in the presence group, simply scroll through the list till you find them or use the search field. Once you find them, just click their phone handset icon or their extension number. Presence groups can be used when your web phone is enabled or disabled. You can create and customize your own presence groups if you desire. Setting up a group is very easy. Simply click the Manage Presence Group icon. Click the Add button. Give a name to the group. Click Submit. From the Presence Group user list, you can either drag a user to the New Group field or click the Add box next to their name. Once you have the group user list complete, click Save, and then Close. Note, you can go back and edit or delete a group. The Settings gear icon allows you to customize what and how information in Presence will appear. Remember to save when you are done customizing. Contacts is a customizable speed dial list. To get started, click the Add icon in the upper right corner. An Add Contact sheet will open. Fill in the new contact information. There is a Browse button to import an image for an avatar. Fill in the name, phone number, and type. Email if you want, and any other information. Click the Save button. Click the star icon on a contact if you would like them to show as a favorite if you turn on the Favorites option in the Contacts panel. The drop-down arrow on a contact will reveal their information details. Click the arrow again to collapse the information. To call a contact, click the handset icon. To email a contact, click the email icon. To access contact settings, click the gear icon. There are integration and uploading options as well as display settings. Remember to save when you make changes. To access your voicemail messages, go to the left-hand side of the Boomea menu strip. Click on the tape cassette icon. Your voicemails are located here. Notice I have 2 unheard messages. To play a message, click the play arrow. You may pause and restart anywhere in the message. To download the message, select the download icon. Under the action field, there is an option to delete or archive the message to the respective folders. The voicemail folders are located at the top of the Filter Voicemail page. Click Filter. These folders include all, new, saved, and archived. From the caller ID name field, you have the options to call the number back by clicking on the number or add the person to your contact list by clicking the plus sign next to the caller ID name. Boomea also gives access to your call history. On the left-hand side menu strip, click the Call History icon. From here, you have access to the date, time, direction, caller ID name, number, and duration of the call. Under the caller ID name, click the plus icon to add as a contact. Under the caller ID number, click on the number to call back. You can filter the calls by date and direction, or just do a search by name or number. You have an operator console on the left-hand side of the Boomea menu. The operator will show all phone users in your company and also allows you to see their phone status at a glance. Clicking on the green handset allows you to call their phone. Clicking on the desk phone icon initiates the intercom feature. This is the only place you can click to intercom. With the gear icon, you can customize what is showing. Everything is showing by default. Click to remove. Under Group, you may choose which group is showing. To customize or create new groups, click the Add New Group icon. This is the same as the presence groups that we created earlier. Your Boomea phone page is located here. This shows your personal information set up for your phone. From here, you can adjust your call routing options. Find Me, Follow Me, if turned off, rings all your devices simultaneously. Notice mine is set to ring for 30 seconds, which is about 4 rings. You can change this though. Find Me, Follow Me turned on gives you the option to decide which devices will ring and for how long, and which one rings first if all are selected to ring. In this example, my desk phone will ring first, from 0 to 10 seconds, and if I don't answer, it will then ring my web phone for the next 10 seconds. If I don't answer that, it will finally ring my Nimbus mobile app for the last 10 seconds. Remember to save when you make changes. Also notice below, there is another way to view your call history. Now you should be all set to use your web phone in your Boomea app. It's just that easy.